What's up, guys? So I'm now about to meet up with Liam, and we're going to take Tesco's. What the hell was that? Yeah. So now I'm going to Tesco's. It's not going to be the longest vlog because all I'm going to be doing is like going to Tesco's and then coming back. I might vlog while I'm in there, but I don't know. I'll just see what I'll get up to when I'm in there. And here he is, the man himself. Look at him. I need Norwich kit. Look at this geezer.
How's it going?
Yeah. Just said we're going to Tesco's.
Yeah.
And yeah. It's about the journey. Whee! So what's up, guys? When we were at Tesco's, we just bought these Peppa Pig surprise eggs. Don't know why I bought them. They were £1 for 2, so we bought 2 of them just for like a little pack opening, you know. We'll see what we get. So we'll go over the first one. I think this is how you open it. Yeah. Rip it open. Slap it open. Oh no. Let's see what's in the first one. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? We've got some eggs. We've got some jelly beans. You want some jelly beans there?
Yes, thank you very much.
Hold the wrappers. Not there.
There we go.
We've got a badge.
Oh.
Not too shabby. And we've got some stickers.
Can I see a close up of them, please?
The badge. And we've got some stickers. So let's move on to the second and then you can hold all of this. So let's open the second
Anyone
one.
there?
Hope we actually get a model. That'd be pretty cool.
Anyone behind us? No, there isn't. Okay.
Oh, that was a lot easier. Look at that.
Ooh, satisfying. Ooh.
Put it down there. Right, let's
What
open
are you
it.
gonna get?
Have some epic music, please.
Cute, epic music.
Oh, it's the same thing. Jelly beans. Oh my god, we've got a Love Heart rubber.
Oh my goodness! Don't put that close. Let me show. I'll show it.
The camera. Let's chuck them down there.
Look at that. Beautiful. What's her name?
We've got some more stickers.
I can't remember her name. She's Peppa Pig's best friend. And there's a
Rosie
beautiful.
or something like
Yeah, it might be. Look at the beautiful sunset down
that.
there.
Liam, do you want a sticker?
What?
Do you want some stickers?
Yes, please.
Oh, God, it's flying away. So that's going to be it, guys. Today we got some jelly beans.
This rubber.
What a Love Heart rubber. How cute.
Give that to your girlfriend. Oh wait. Look at that. Beautiful.
Don't zoom in ever again. Zoom
Bang.
out. Yeah, so let's just look at what we got. There's £1 worth of stuff. Look what we got. That's pretty worth it.
Yeah,
That's
and a rubber.
2 packages of jelly beans, a rubber, some stickers.
Ooh, my favourite.
Pulled out from there. Yeah, so it's going to be it for the pack opening. And I'll see you with the vlog still.
Do you feel it? Do you feel it in the air? Do you feel it? Do you feel it? I can feel it in the.
So what's up, guys? This is going to be the end of the vlog, sadly. Hope you enjoyed the pack opening.
The pack.
The
Surprise
egg opening. Surprise egg opening. Yeah, and we're about to go.
I'm now going. Goodbye.
So am I. He's now going.
Goodbye, my lover.
Bye. Go away. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. What's he doing? Yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow when I'm doing another video. So, bye.
Why roll the scissors? That man come on them, give me. That man come on them, give me. Zombie walking, try get it on me. Moonwalking, seeing moon people. Moonwalking, seeing moon people. Moonwalking, seeing moon people. Seeing moon people. Seeing moon people.